Yeah, what's happening? What's happening? It's Sandman Kim Rapper, aka Tsha Venda, aka South Africa, aka Tsha Shangolote. I'm with Blvck Kennedy and we're about to do a 3-minute skit. Yeah, we're about to shoot some content, so tune in, listen, let's go.
So he researched, he didn't have no research. Now he rests in peace in the valley of the beast. These guys are vampire in the middle of the night, sucking the human's blood. Is that your appetite? He researched, he didn't have no peace, sir. Now he rests in peace in the valley of the beast. These guys are vampire in the middle of the night, sucking the human's blood. Is that your appetite? He researched, he didn't have no peace, sir. Now he rests in peace in the valley of peace.
Okay. I'm the leader of the Venda tribe. When they see me, they go celebrate. Girls see me and they ululate. When I'm on stage, they be going live. No cities, man, we going live. Never leaving that studio. Working hard on that audio. Kissing my girl on the podium. She got me feeling like I am the president. Reputation in another level. Kept the tag, got my money safe. Blue, red, lots of feeling safe. Rebirth on a fancy face. These kids got the emanation. Power speakers on a high pitch. Bass line on another tune. Bass line on another tune. Bass line on another tune. Looking for something, man, without a trace. See me on TV, man, I am on trace. Looking at me, studying me like a case. I'm looking good, I'm looking at my face. Out on a train for this cut to the chase. We have a cause of the union of the race.
No peace, sir. Now you rest in peace in the valley of the beast. These guys are vampire in the middle of the night, sucking the human's blood. Is that your appetite? He researched, he didn't have no peace, sir. Now he rests in peace in the valley of the beast. These guys are vampire in the middle of the night, sucking the human's blood. Is that your appetite? He researched, he didn't have no peace, sir. Now he rests in peace in the valley of the beast.
All of my niggas are hella dope. DJ Finish got the better notes. Sandman got the better verse. Fast screaming like a Michael Jackson. On stage when I'm busy dancing. The situation is a lituation. With me and my niggas are in the nation. Celebration for the dedication. Popping pills got the medication. Medication for the tribulations. I got my niggas to stand by. We don't snitch, it's a brotherhood. We don't play cause we run the hood. CEO like we own the hood. The music industry is gaining weight. I'm the champ, heavyweight. Champions with the money team. Out to crush, it's another team. Teamwork gets the job done. Money comes from the jord. Make a brag at the Buddha force. That's a meal for the profit factions. All of my niggas are VIP. All of my niggas are MVP. Me and my niggas will never sleep. Online, pussy leaks, red eyes, that's hard work. Hard work means more checks. I see my niggas believe in the dream. They're not just part of the team. Except I know what I'm doing. That's how we win.
Na 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 na. Yeah. La 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 la. He researched, he didn't have no peace, sir. Now he rests in peace in the valley of the beast. These guys are vampires in the middle of the night, sucking the human's blood. Is that your appetite?
Kennedy and Tsha Venda, yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. Follow Blvck Kennedy on Facebook. Follow Tsha Venda on Facebook. You can see me. You can see me. But now you can see me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button. Don't forget to subscribe. I don't know how many times do I have to say don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe so that we can give you another video and another video and another video and another video. Who's got it? Yeah, yeah.